Welcome to Moonshine Wednesday. Hey, you know, I'm really starting to like these Wednesdays. So what are we going to make today? Well, this one always sounded interesting me. I always wanted to try this one. And this one is going to be root beer moonshine. I just thought this sounded fantastic to me, and it seems like it's going to be easy to make. This shine should be one of those shines that are very easy to drink. I don't think it's going to last long. I think it will disappear. And at one of your gatherings, a family gathering or a regular gathering, it's going to be one of the favorites. And like always, I will put the recipe down in the description box. And then I come up with a neat idea is maybe next week for Moonshine Wednesday, let's have a little taste of what we've made so far. So that should be 4, right? Yeah, I think it's 4 after this. And let me know if you'd like that, okay? Alright. But first things first, welcome to Stillworks and Brewing. My name is Randy, and this is the channel that's all about home distillation and brewing. Alright, so now let's get started. Okay, step 1. Basically, we got to put all the ingredients in the pot there. First, what I'm going to need is 10 cups of water. So let me get you 10 cups of water. There's 5. Then need another 5. Alright, so there's 10 cups of water. Alright. So, let me put a lid on that. I'll knock it over. Alright, let me get that warming up. Okay, so the next thing on this, and like I said, I will print the recipe out. What I need for the next thing, I'll need 2½ cups of just regular old white sugar. 2½ cups. There's a half. That'd be 1½ Come on. I just think I'm building my inventory up, like I said before, for the summertime. It seems like, yeah, everybody loves. Alright, so 1 more cup. And so that'd be 2½ total. Alright? So now what I need is ½ cup of brown sugar. You can use light or dark. I don't think it much matters. ½ cup. Oops. Alright, ½ cup of brown sugar. Alright. Now, before I put any more of the other ingredients in, I want to get this to melt. And that's basically all we're doing is heating it up. Almost to a simmer. Even if it does simmer a little bit, that's fine. Okay, just a few more ingredients, and then we'll be done. Alright, so the next ingredient is going to be 1 tablespoon of vanilla. And this one, it can be optional. 1 tablespoon of vanilla. and then 4 tablespoons of a root beer extract. You can go on to Amazon or wherever and get that. It's easy to find. And it's not really that expensive. 1, 2, and 4. All right, that smells so good. All right, you give that a stir. And what I need to do now is I need to let this cool down. After I cool down, I got some 140 shine here. And we're going to mix 140 shine into it, and then we're going to put it into some bottles. And that's all there is to it. Okay? Alright. So I'm back. And it's cool. So let's go ahead and add our shine into it. Alright. Let me feel this. Okay, I'm going to give that a stir. Okay. The only thing left to do is we'll put it in some bottles. Put one in there. You move this over a little bit. Try not to make too much of a mess. It sure has a pretty color. Like I said before, I was really looking forward to this one. I love root beer. There's one jar. Yeah, so if you got some moonshine recipes out there, some ideas, please send them on my way. I mean, if I can, I'd like to keep doing this Moonshine Wednesdays. It's a lot of fun. And hopefully you get some good ideas from other people. Alright, there's 2. I'm thinking I'm going to get close to 5 jars. If I quit spilling it. These little funnels they make for mason jars is the best thing I ever bought. It cuts down a lot of mess. There's another one. I wonder if I start pouring it now. One more and a piece. So I got 4.5 jars out of that. That's pretty good. And if you wanted to, you could make some more shine if you wanted to make it stronger, or a little bit less. Up, it's your taste how you want to do it. All right, I gotta know what this tastes like. Oh, the smell is fantastic. Woo! Wow, that tastes a lot like A&W root beer. Oh man. Like I said, this ain't gonna last long. No, 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 it's not. Alright. Well, I guess in closing, hey, enjoy what you make and make what you enjoy. You know? Like I said before, this is a fantastic hobby. We can all learn off each other. That is one good drink. Now, when it's ice cold, it's going to be out of this world too. But it's great right now. I mean, I could pour this. Ooh, with a scoop of ice. Ah, stop. Okay. Hey, thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you next time here on Stillworks and Brewing. Cheers, everybody. That's good. Ooh.